Namaste students, this is chapter number 2, chemical equations, lesson number 4. Till now we studied how to find the number of atoms present in a molecule. Today we shall compare the number of atoms of various elements on LHS and RHS of a chemical equation. Let us take simple chemical equation as an example. C plus O2 gives CO2. In this chemical equation, this is called as LHS. This is called as RHS. Left hand side, right hand side. The chemicals which are present on left hand side are called as reactants, whereas the chemicals which are present on RHS are called as products. These are starting materials, and on the other side the elements present or molecules present or chemicals present are called as end products or end materials. Now let us compare what are the number of molecules or number of atoms present on LHS and RHS. The equation was C plus O2 gives CO2. This is LHS and this is RHS. Now first let us identify what are the different elements present. The different elements present are, first one carbon, second one oxygen. So what are the different elements present here? Carbon and oxygen. On LHS side, how many carbons are present? Quotient 1, index 1, 1, 1s are 1. How many oxygens are present? Quotient 1, index 2, 1, 2s are 2. On RHS side, how many carbons are present? Here quotient is 1, index is 1, 1, 1s are 1. How many oxygens are present? Quotient 1, index is 2, 1, 2s are 2. In this chemical equation, the number of carbons on LHS and RHS are equal. The number of oxygens on LHS2 and RHS2, they are also equal. Such kind of equations where number of atoms on LHS and RHS are equal are called as balanced chemical equations. The chemical equations in which LHS side and RHS side, the elements are equal. Let us see one more example and let us analyze whether it is a balanced chemical equation or not. H2 plus O2, hydrogen plus oxygen gives water, H2O. Let us construct a table of LHS and RHS and various elements which are present. Elements LHS, RHS. What are the different elements present here? Hydrogen and oxygen. See here, hydrogen and oxygen. These are the various elements present. Let us understand how many hydrogens are there on LHS. It is 1, 2s are 2. How many oxygens are there? Coefficient nothing is there means 1, 2s are 2. On RHS side, coefficient is 1, 1, 2s are 2, 2 hydrogens are there. Oxygen's index is 1, 1, 1s are 1, 1 oxygen is there. Here hydrogens 2, 2 balanced, oxygen 2, 1 not balanced. Such kind of chemical equations are called as unbalanced chemical equations or skeleton equations. So, we need to construct or we need to convert skeleton equations into balanced chemical equations all the time. Why they are to be converted and how they are to be converted will be discussed in the next class. Till then, take care. Thanks.